My bow.
Not as boo.
Yeah.
It's bow. So today, Jacob is going to weld via the Harbor Freight Special over there.
Focus.
He's going to be welding the floor pan. Move the that part. Yeah. He's going to be welding that area that he has prepped right there.
This piece goes here.
But no, put it back on there because leave it there for a second. So that piece is going to go there.
Yep.
And then eventually that piece right there will go there. That piece. Yep.
Goes up and under.
Yeah, it's been slotted.
And then it's going to go and fit these ears.
The reason is because those ears on the bottom are so bad. They're like so rusted out that we can't weld to them. So we're going to have to weld to the actual arms where the slots are.
Yeah.
To try to get some, but yeah, it's kind of over-engineered, but it's a seat bracket, and eventually I'm going to probably drive this car, and we just want to make sure it's going to hold my big fat ass.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah. All right, well, get to work, Jacob.
Cool. Can do.
Crack the whip. Whoosh. Can't really tell, folks, but the cat just had a lizard in its mouth, and I was playing with it. So, how's it going?
It's tacked in.
Good tacks? Or shitty tacks?
Shitty tack.
Shitty tacks. Just the top or just the bottom too? I can't tell.
Just the top. I tried the top.
Alright, so you going in on the other side?
Yep.
Into the other side.
Striking.
Cool. It so looks like you got a gimp hand there on your right hand.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, because of the glove.
Take my good hand.
Take my strong eye. Give me sexy. Fantastic. Give me tiger. Tiger. Give ferocious. Ferocious. Yeah. Cardinal's like, I'm up here, bitch. Well, Jacob, show us what you've done.
Alright, let's go. Not quite finished. I still have to like make it look pretty, but
you got the cross brace there, that one there, you got that piece in. It ain't pretty, but it'll do the job. And now so what we've got to do is get some metal. Let me zoom out a little bit. Some metal to go in between this one and this one, just to kind of strengthen this.
just
Alright, so since the last time we were bouncing on it,
yeah.
Jacob has put in a piece of floor. Let me just take a look real quick. So as you can see, he's also cleaned up his weld, so everything doesn't look as boo-boo-y. But yeah, as you can see, I don't know how well this light's doing anything, but yeah, so we have that bar and that bar. We have this bar and that one, and then we put a cross brace right here. Even focus on that. So since the last time, Jacob has put we had this bar, these bars underneath, and he put this cross brace in, but then he just put this floor in. All we did was spot weld it it in, and we have it all the way come in all the way in, which Jacob's going to show you now. So as you can see, Jacob's got that piece of metal in there. There are gaps, but he's going to use silicone to fill in the gaps just to keep it sealed, watertight sealed. But as you see, the piece of metal bends. You see this piece of metal bends up around the edge of the floor, and we don't have a metal bending table thing, finger table you see on all those other guys that bend sheet metal. So yeah, we used a hammer on that, and here's a very accurate digital reenactment of how we were able to perform that.
The next day,
That you can do after it's in there, dude.
Yeah, but it holds the carpet.
Okay. Putting it back together. Oh yeah.
And which one?
Jacob's brother Joel has entered the chat.
Right here? Yeah, those ones.
Yeah, those front, yeah.
Should be like that. Check the other side. Yeah, but this front hole is not even lined up. On the other side, feel it. It's not lined up.
Huh?
What?
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 What? Small for the camera? What? Hearing you brothers bicker.
I need a sign that says "does not play well with others." All right, that's what I'm learning from all of this.
You should just put the bolts in a couple threads. Get started.
Yeah, ladies and gents, it's no one's fault but my own for not being able to work with other people. Don't blame the hill.
Jacob, what are you doing?
Seat's done, so I'm done.
What? But Jacob.
Oh, yeah.